What up, what up?
The boys are hitting the track. It is Sunday. Let's go.
Boys are out here, we're on display. Last night they had a little session, or the night thrash, or whatever you want to call it. Right now we're just hanging out at the booth. Boys got all their trucks displayed, but let's find somebody to talk to. All right, so yeah, here's the trophy bug, and it's muddy out there. Come check this out.
Oh my God. Thanks a lot, Holly. You know how much work it is to clean this thing?
Yeah, shit.
Yeah, that's everywhere. So,
It's
raw
everywhere.
chassis, good times.
Oh my God.
Just saved 10, 20 pounds, dude. We're race ready, dude.
Race ready. Camp started his truck. This thing is so sick. Have you guys seen the Built to Destroy episode on it? Dirty. This bug's sick. It's got like a twin turbs. Bug. Eric's truck. You guys have probably already seen it. Eric had a nice little spill yesterday. Poor guy, poor Eric. But it runs fine. Took the windshield out of it, and I'll rip it again today. Kenny came out. You guys know Kenny? Super good dude. He's from Bakersfield. Full tube chassis truck, V2 of this truck, version 2. Super nice truck, man. We're gonna have to do a Built to Destroy on it soon. But Kenny's a good homie, and we're glad to have him out here with us this weekend. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Hanging out. This is gonna be a special clip just for you guys. I'm gonna take you guys on a tour of the black Hat Hoopty. It's a 2008 Sunseeker 3100 SS. It's pretty sweet. It was cheap, and we renovated the inside. So we're gonna call this Terra something. Terra trailers. Here we go, and we're coming in. All right, yeah, see? Yeah, nice. Did some painting, did a backsplash, new faucet in here. It's got one pop out. We got the bed up here for the homeless homies whenever we go places. Everybody always needs a place to stay. So yeah, this is our little, this is our Terra trailer episode. What's in the fridge? Let's see what we got here. Man, we got some White Claws, some orange juice, charcuterie board, got some nacho cheese. Take one of these, thirsty. And then in the freezer, we got some burgers, some chicken patties, breakfast sandwiches. Good to go. We're running, we're rolling. But yeah, so that's my Terra trailer. Thanks for watching this special episode of Terra Trailers with Black Hat. The exhibition starts in like 10 minutes. We're all getting ready. We're gonna do a little parade lap. The boys are gonna go tear it up. what's up? How was it?
Fun.
Awesome, man.
How was it?
Super
Did you have fun?
sweet.
What happened to the bug?
Yeah. The Megalodon?
Yeah.
Oh, I just wanted to come drive the TT bug.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and I mean,
He just wanted to trade between his two cars.
Weird flex, but okay.
don't do me like that. Don't do me like that.
Did you have a good time?
Oh yeah.
Did you have a good time?
That was fun.
Right
You
on.
got around
Who'd you go with?
With Blake. So we got to drive in the rear engine car and the front engine car. It's insane how different that dynamic is.
Yeah. What'd you think, man? Which one was better?
I relate more to the front engine because
Yeah.
like the way it rotates and stuff. It like just makes more sense.
Yeah.
So yeah, definitely that's more relatable. So I guess I like that one more.
Are you a drift guy?
Yep, I'm a drift guy.
It's cushy, huh?
Professional. You know who this man is?
Thank you.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Odie Bakshees, driver of the Falcon Tire Fuel Suspension S15, and I am so thankful to be out here playing in the dirt with you guys.
Hell yeah, man.
These guys are nuts, absolutely nuts.
I traded him a ride. I'm gonna get to ride in his.
Okay, cool. Right on. Oh, yeah.
And I'm gonna be like, God dang, I want one of these too, bro.
Everything's so peaceful inside of one of those compared to this.
Just coming sideways at 80, coming like, oh my God.
That's like the drift car for me. Like I always tell people, it's like going on like vacation. Take the car out, just cruise around, hang out, relax, change some tires. This thing, you're working the whole time and you're fighting the thing.
He's like, hey, look at the water temp for me. I'm just like there's a lot going on that like someone has to look at this.
Yeah.
And when we hit the track, I'm like, yep, this guy's got a lot to deal with right now. So.
All right, whenever you're ready.
What happened, buddy?
Broke the wheel studs.
Unfortunately.
That's what I figured. I'm like, wheel studs or
Yeah.
rear end, man?
It was fun though.
Yeah, it was worth it. Dude, you're crushing it, man.
Oh, thanks, buddy. I really appreciate it, dude.
Absolutely crushing it. Is this your first time freaking on a track like this?
Yes.
Or what?
Yeah.
How does it feel to be doing like moto stuff?
So fun, dude. Getting roosted by everybody and just jumps and everything. So fun, dude.
This truck is so beautiful. It's even crazy to see it like going so hard, you know? There's so much work that's gone into these things, but something's wrong with these dudes, man. I don't know, man. They're just wild. They build these crazy beasts and then beat the crap out of them. So,
Hell yeah.
hell yeah, dude. Thank you so much, Aaron, for coming
Thanks,
out, dude.
James. I appreciate it, buddy.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Thank you, dude.
All right, guys, so they are taking the track. Today's Sunday, last day. The boys are gonna go out there. We're gonna try to set up some shots and get some cool bangers. It is Sunday, let's go.
wrapping up here, final day at LS Fest West. Boys been sending it?
Sending it.
Big sends?
Yep.
Big time sendy boy now.
All weekend.
Did you have fun?
Of course, it's always a good time. LS Fest is the best because there's everything here. You could be at the dirt track, be in the donut pit, be on the AX grid or the drag strip within a quarter mile. So that's the best part of it, is it's a festival of horsepower and all American muscle.
See, everything's within a quarter mile, and that works perfect when you live your life a quarter mile at a time. Ain't that right?
That's right.
All right. James,
Yes.
how'd you fare up?
I'm a little dusty, I'm a little crusty, but I'm feeling all right, man. I think we've got some good stuff. You know, highlights, we got some people sending it to flat, we got a roll, and the roll was good. Actually, Eric was good in the end. So truck finished the weekend, and yeah, man, I'm stoked, dude. We got a lot of good bangers for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you, Holly LS Fest, for always welcoming our crazy asses back. We appreciate you guys.
Well, I guess that's a wrap for LS Fest West 2020. Mother